Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to make fluffy slime. And fluffy slime is my favorite type of slimes because it feels like cloud, okay? And yes, I'm very excited that we make today fluffy slime. But also I want to say you that English is not my native language and I will speak not fast and not correct, but yes, I will try. But first, like and subscribe. And if you want that I make another type of slime, you can just write me in the comments and I will do a video how I make it and show you how I make it, yes. So okay, let's start. So we need shaving okay, wait. Shaving foam. Okay, so I don't know which I must use, or this or this, but we will see. Okay, glue and our activator. Okay, so first we need glue, and I will do this on my table because it's much faster, I think, maybe. Okay, so let's start. You think it's good or more? Okay, maybe a little bit. Now we can do now activator or first like shaving foam. Okay, you know what? Let's do shaving foam. Okay, but which? I don't care really. Let's use this black. Oh, it smells so good. More. Because it wants to be like cloud. You see that? Okay, it's like cloud. It's very good. So if you take like a little bit and more glue, it will be like only glue with activator. But we need fluffy slime. So more. Maybe this is enough. And let's mix it together. In this channel, I will like tell you about slimes. I'm 15 years old, and in like 8 or 7 years, I play with slimes. Okay, I'm 15, and some people say, okay, I don't play with slime because I'm old. But I don't care really. It's very good, and when I have a stress, for example, I play on violin, and for example, I have a competition, and then I just can play with slime and relax myself. Okay, and I can play better. It helps really for me. I don't know how it to you. So if you subscribe, you can know something like what you can do that your slime can be 2 months. Okay, and it just will be like very good consistency. Okay, look at that. It's like cloud. Okay, I love it. I love it so much. I don't want really. Okay, I don't care. Yes. Okay. Okay. I don't care, Sophia. You don't care. You don't care. Okay, and I add just a little bit because you must just mix, okay? And not just like do 5 times and like, oh, I add more because here's no slime. No, you must mix very good. Okay, so I add just a little bit, okay? My activator is so dirty. But okay. Okay, and just mix. Wow, look. It's almost really. I feel it. I just wasn't sure or I will do this YouTube challenge because I was just like nervous because I thought like I'm 15 years old and I can't speak English. But then I just thought, okay, I don't care how much old I am and if my English is good or not, because I learn. And if I do videos like where I speak on English, I think my English will be better, step by step. So okay, so mix, only mix. Okay, I think we must do that more. shaving foam. Why so hard? Just mix, okay? Okay, so look. I just, for 5 minutes, I just mix it together. And I don't add more activator. I just mix, okay? Look. We don't need more. It maybe I added too much. Too much, you understand? Look at that. Wow. Fluffy slime is... I can't tell you how I love it. It's just very good, very good. Okay, not now, okay? But I think it's too small. Here's that. It's activator. Oh, I added too much, really. 7 years and I can't learn that I must add like this, okay? Look at that. What is that? Too hard. Too. I think you know what? When I do slime without shaving foam, when I add like this activator, it's not too much, and I must add more. But I don't know why. But when I add shaving foam, it just then I must add like this, and it will be like this. So I think it's something with that, because shaving foam is like a little bit like activator, but I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, let's add hand cream. Just a little bit. Okay, so now let's add some paste. Okay, you will see a magic. Look, my slime is like this now. Now let's add. Look a little bit, okay? Like this. And a little bit more. But it's better. Look at that. And I added a little bit, really. It wasn't much. You see that? It's magic, really. Look at that. Not water, because water makes your slime 2 days and it will be like water. So don't add water, okay? Paste, it's even better. Or add some more glue. But glue you must add very much. So I use paste. Okay, if you want to learn how to do this movement, you can write me in the comments how to do this move, and I will teach you, okay? I will do another video how I make it. Look. It's very cool. And I can say why. For example, if you added like very much shaving foam, and you see that your slime is like, okay, you play with this like 3 days, and then you see like your slime, it's not like a fluffy slime, it's like simple slime with glue and activator. So, but if you start to make this move, your shaving foam, I don't know how it's impossible, how it's possible. Shaving foam is like returned into your slime. I really don't know how it works, but it works really. So if you want, I can teach you how to do this, because it's like step by step. Because I don't want that this video will be too long, so I can do another video about that. So how you can see, slime it's very good, but it's not like cloud. So I will add more shaving foam. I think hear that? Wow, it's so good. And now we have fluffy slime. Look at that. Look at that. It's like a cloud. You see that? Wow, really wow. You must try that. Wow, this slime is so crunchy, so good, so... Okay, so if you will have it in your hands, you will understand me why this is my favorite type of slime. You will understand me. Wow, it's so good. Okay, so how we make a big bubble. Look, okay, our slime will be here. So then we must take half of slime, this, and like this. And you saw that? It was very big, really. Let's do one more time. Look at that. It's really big. Wow. Okay, so if you want more videos, then subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Okay, so see you next time. Bye!